Welcome to my channel. My name is Nikaya, and today you'll be prepping for your next makeup appointment with me. Whether this is your very first makeup appointment or your 1000th makeup appointment, this is the video for you. So at the beginning of the video, you saw me sanitizing the powder puff container as well as the micellar water container. It's because these are new products for me. I purchased them from TJ Maxx, but I also did not want to have anything cross-contaminated in my kit for me to use on my clients. And then you'll also see me re-sanitize my gloves to prevent cross-contamination. So let's get into what you should be packing for your Pretty and Prep pack for your appointments. So these are all of the disposables to my left that you're gonna want to put inside of your Pretty and Prep pack. And you can make the packaging as, aesthetically pleasing as you would like. I just find this more convenient because I can toss it at the end of each service and I can keep it moving. Labeling your bags and containers that you put your disposables in is also pretty important. No pun intended. But you just don't want it to be blank and sitting for like a year and you never used it. You want to be able to, go ahead and use what you need to use by a specific date. Another great disposable to have on hand is going to be 4x4s and 2x2s. For these 4x4s, I use them at the beginning of the service, paired with the micellar water to remove any excess dirt, makeup, or oil that the client may come in with. And they're really great at refreshing the skin. You can also add dental bibs to your Pretty and Prep pack. So that after you like sanitize your station and whatnot, that should be like the first thing that you lay down, and you can put your products on top of that so that it doesn't make as much of a mess as it would if you don't put something down underneath your products. And then at the end of the service, you just discard it like you would the disposables that are in the Pretty and Prep pack. But I found that like this works phenomenally for not making so much of a mess and you don't have so much to clean up. I wish someone would have told me when I started 10 years ago doing makeup. But yeah, that's something that I would definitely add to the pack. You can also add things like sponges. You can add lash curlers as well. And I'm even adding these paper neck strips because when you put the capes on, you want to have something to protect your client's neck as well. There's nothing I dislike more than seeing a talented MUA use non-disposables, or actually reuse non-disposable products on almost every single client. For instance, liquid eyeliner, that's not something that should be reused. That's like a one-time thing and you give it to the client, and it should be new when you give it to the client, or you should be using the disposable liquid eyeliner brushes. And you still need to be careful with that. But that's what I add to the bags as well, are the liquid eyeliner brushes. Because using a brush or reusing the brush that it comes with is insane. And I've seen so many MUAs just do that, and it's unhygienic. It is not practicing good infection control. Please do not do that. Please. Another thing that I would recommend is when it comes to your Pretty and Prep bags is having a process or like a checklist that you can refer to just to make sure you have everything that is necessary to complete your applications within the bag. As far as like your disposables go. And keep in mind, it's just for you to see, just for you to refer back to in case you feel like you're forgetting anything. I really hope that helps. I'm glad you stopped by to create your Pretty and Prep packs with me. That was so much fun. So it was time to throw out the micellar water and loose setting powder. I got this neck fan from the bin store. This light I got on Amazon because I needed a new one. My old one broke. But I love this one so much. It is very versatile. This is my makeup brush belt that I got from Amazon as well. And I just like to make sure that that's sanitized also. And for each of my appointments, these are the lights that I use. I appreciate you stopping by. Thank you so much. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time.